Meet the iClean, an innovative, easy, and portable way to clean your phone. The iClean uses cutting-edge UVC technology to kill over 99.9% of bacteria, germs, and viruses on your phone. It works on small, everyday items such as your credit cards, keys, jewelry, and other small accessories. Simply hook your iClean up and place your phone inside. Close the lid, press the button, and in minutes your phone will be completely sterilized and free from germs. Sure, you can use cleaning wipes and disinfectants to clean your phone, but they won't get the germs hiding in those hard-to-reach spots, like your microphone, speaker, or in between crevices. Using cleaning wipes to clean your phone wastes your time and wastes your money. They're bad for the environment and contain chemicals that can wear down your phone and damage your phone's oleophobic coating over time. The iClean is easy to use and takes absolutely no effort. It's completely safe and can be used as frequently as you want. The iClean is a must-have if you use your phone a lot. It's great for when you come home after a day of work or going out. Just pop your phone, keys, and other small accessories inside. Then enjoy the convenience and peace of mind of knowing that they're clean. The iClean is not sold in stores and is available now only at the Gadget Lab.